Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, December 12. A Justice Center has officially opened in Portland, offering a wide range of services including legal advice and mediation. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says child diversion services will also be added to the roster of activities at the center.
The child diversion bill will be laid in Parliament definitely by January. And when the child diversion bill is laid, it is something, Judge, that we are hoping that all the judges, parish court judges and the Supreme Court judges will be trained in. And based on the training, we're hoping to take children away from the formal justice system into a more relaxed atmosphere.
Portland is the second parish to receive a Justice Center, with the first being established in St. Anne a few months ago. Member of Parliament, Minister Darrell Vaz, has welcomed the Justice Center, which he says will be critical to the continued growth and peaceful development of the parish.
The center will also be used to train justice of the peace. We all know that JPs are highly respected persons in their communities. They provide invaluable service which are indispensable to the economic and social life of our citizens.
The National Health Fund NHF will be rolling out its Quick Prescript application early in 2018 as it moves to increase the use of smartphones to help beneficiaries access their medication in a timelier manner.
And through this feature, our customers will be able to send into the NHF their prescription, and they will immediately get a response and be given a variety of pharmacies where they can pick it up. They will select where they would like to go, and they will be advised at what time. And all they'll have to do is arrive and pick up their prescription. No longer the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of waiting time.
The NHF's board chairman says the fund will also be increasing medication access points for patients in the new year through strategic expansion involving the public-private pharmacy partner program. The governments of Jamaica and Argentina will be strengthening cooperation in the fields of arts and culture. To accommodate this, Culture Minister Olivia Grange recently signed a cooperation agreement with the Republic of Argentina's ambassador to Jamaica, Ariel Fernandez. The agreement commits both countries to participate in and support exchanges in international cultural activities, festivals, exhibitions, and other artistic events. This will involve the exchange of professionals, specialists, researchers, students, and creators in the different fields of culture and art, as well as tangible and intangible cultural heritage.
We are especially keen on developing collaborations and sharing expertise and knowledge in how we strengthen the role of cultural institutions such as museums and libraries.
150 young people are now able to market themselves in the animation industry. They were certified recently after being trained under Phase 1 of the Creative Industries Education and Employment Program, CIEEP. The young people were able to sharpen their skills in areas such as design and modeling 3D environments, visual effects for animated films, and 3D character animation. The CIEEP is an initiative of the Youth Employment in the Digital and Animation Industries project. It was implemented by the government with partnership support from the CA Foundation, also known as Studio C, the World Bank Korean Trust Fund, and Cornerstone Ministries. World Bank's country manager for Jamaica, Galina Sotirova, has commended the success of the program and its impact on participants.
These graduates will help to strengthen the animation industry in Jamaica.
And finally, the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, will be carrying out night collections in town centers starting later this week. The night collections will be done in commercial areas between the hours of 9 p.m. and 12 a.m. starting December 15. NSWMA's Executive Director Audley Gordon says this will continue until the new year to ensure these areas are kept clean throughout the busy festive season. And at a recent function in St. Anne, Mr. Gordon said the agency would be expanding its street sweepers program in that parish and other townships.
Because we find that there are some people who just not prepared to play their part in the civic approach that we are encouraging, and so they will just throw things wherever, whenever. So we have to be going into areas that hither before we wouldn't have, and looking at how we can take down illegal dumps, how we can sweep areas.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.